Hola,
Hola.
and welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Am I Mike? And you're Yvonne?
Yeah.
Why do we always do this? Do you think people don't
Well,
realise
just in case people don't realise.
that I'm Mike and you're Yvonne?
Well, we're just letting them know, aren't we?
Just letting you know.
We could confuse them and do Mike and Yvonne.
That'd
See
confuse
if
them.
anybody notices.
Yeah. Anyway, apart from that, we've just come through town. Lovely ride through the town. It's a lovely day. And we're at the junction of Calle Virgen de la Paloma and Avenida de las Habaneras. And we're on our way to the front, the beach, at the Crazy Beach. We call it the Crazy Beach, and it's called Playa de los Locos.
The Los Locos.
The Los Locos. So we're going to take you down there from here. I'll put it on the map so you can see where we are exactly. And the little red arrow showing us which direction we're going. We're going to end up in front of the big apartment block on the corner where the bars are. So we'll see you down there. Off we go. So here we are on Avenida de las Habaneras. And this takes us down to the seafront. It's a nice little road, dual carriageway, but no cycle path, so we've got to be careful. But there's plenty of room for cars to get past, so it's not too bad. It's downhill as well, which is rather nice. Quite a lot of restaurants down this road, because a lot of apartments, holiday apartments and residential apartments. And we're just outside the sort of city centre, well, in the outskirts of the city centre. And you might be able to see in front of us there the lovely, beautiful blue sea of the Mediterranean. Well, we've got a green light, can we make it? Going at a massive 14 miles an hour. No, we can't. Okay. And we'll just pull up here, wait for Yvonne. We'll be sneaking up behind us. There she is, look.
I'm back.
Thought you'd join us, did you?
Yeah, well, I've got to stay behind you on these busy roads.
Yeah, it's busy road. We explained where we are. And this is the front, this is the traffic lights where it goes round. If we turn right now, we're going to Torrevieja. But we're going to go straight on to the Playa de los Locos.
Waves look a bit choppy.
It does, it's a surfers day today. I bet they're having a ball in La Mata. Just waiting for a green light and then we'll go single file on this road. Now this is the road they're going to pedestrianise right up to this point, so here we go, green light, we're off. So we might see a few signs of that on the way. There's some people on the beach. Yeah, all this will be close to traffic all the way along. Let these people cross. We're heading there for that apartment block there. We're going to pull in there and then we'll go for a little walk. Loads of bars on here, burger bars, pizza bars, restaurants. Nice Irish bar that we've shown you before. Murph's bar, not Murphy's, Murph's bar. Well, we had a meal of the day there, and we've had some nice tapas there from Fred. We can see the beach now, and it's looks quite busy. Quite busy on the beach. So it's from a totally different feel when it's pedestrianised. There's Murph's Irish bar on the left, and a nice restaurant, Pizzeria. And there's a supermarket and another restaurant there. So this building, as far as I know and what I've been told, used to be an asylum, which is why they call it the Crazy Beach. And I think it was a hospital quite a few years ago. But now it's apartments. So we're going to pull in here, we'll just go around to this slope so we can get in. Nice little spot here, right on the beach, bike parking, some nice bars, some have a beer. And the restaurant there, 222 restaurant. So it's quite nice. Nice little spot, very popular spot. Just go and see Yvonne now because they're going in a big circle. She's wondering what I'm doing. Oh, she's behind me. Let's just pull in and have a look at the beach. There we are, look how busy that is.
I thought you were going to go straight down them steps then.
No. Did you manage to get around that little slope without touching the floor?
No, I had to get off.
So you just you had to get off.
I did, yeah.
Oh dear. So it's busy, isn't it?
It is.
So we've come really on the other side. You can't really see on this little camera, but on that side down there, you've got Torrevieja around that corner. That's where the columns are. Probably, I don't know, a couple of kilometres maybe.
Yeah.
But we'll have a little walk around here now. So we'll just get off the bikes, park them up, and we'll see you in a bit. Just walking onto the beach from the back. We packed our bikes up, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
We'll have a little walk down here and show you the beach area.
It's very busy.
It is, isn't it? Well, it's warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm so sweating.
We've had a few days of cloud and a bit of rain, haven't we?
We have. And we'll go into the shop up here. Let's go up the steps. And there's a shop here, which is quite handy for the beach. But there's a roaring trade, don't you?
Yeah.
Sells these inflatables.
Surfboards, do you want a surfboard?
Chairs.
Dinghies?
No, not today.
Rings?
The plastic ones.
Footballs?
Bucket and spade.
Swimwear? Hats?
Yeah, all the usual stuff you'd expect. And the restaurant here called
Love Del Mar.
Love Del Mar, which means
Light of the Sea.
let's go down the steps on the beach and through that way because there's people eating. We don't want to go through there. You can't actually walk through there. It is a public right of way. We'll go back on the boardwalk. Wow. There is sand. Do you like sand, am I right?
I don't mind, it is getting in my sandals.
So we've got sandals on?
You've got your Skechers on. So
yeah, they keep all the thing away from me. Keep it away from my toes. Up the steps. And we're back onto this way here. We'll just have a walk round these bars. As you can see there on the right, we've got Luz Del Mar, Light of the Sea. There's a restaurant here called 222. Do a menu del day for $14.90. We haven't tried it, have we? Have we tried it?
No, I don't think we have.
I think we have, you know.
We have.
Many years ago, I think we tried
Yes,
it.
we have actually sat there.
Yeah, can't remember what it was like.
Just for a drink, I think.
Yeah, probably the usual seaside meal of the day,
It's all the same place, isn't it, this?
Yeah, it's all the same place, same owner. Right, let's have a walk on here. So we're just on the Peso. What is the Peso now? But all this will be Peso. A walkway from here, all pedestrianised, all the way on that road we came on. As far as we understand, let's get quite near the. Let's look at the sea. Keep square on. There we are, it's a view from the. That's how we came from over there. That sort of strange building on the right hand side. Just walk down that path and over the beach there. Came up over there. So we'll continue our walk. You see how nice the sea looks. Big
And
chopper.
It's a lovely sandy beach.
Yeah.
It'll look totally different when it's all paved.
Yeah.
No traffic.
There's an artist's impression
That's
of what
the
it's going to
word.
look like. I'll put it in there on the screen now so you can see it. Just come over here.
Looks a bit busy.
Yeah, not on the road though. So I think we'll just call it a draw just here. So, on that note, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
Bing! Adios.
Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows. Cycling through the coast where your adventure grows.